Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change username on Snapchat. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon on top left corner of the screen to access your profile page. Tap on gear icon or setting icon on top right corner to open the settings menu. In settings menu, tap on username. You will see your current username over there. Tap on change username. Snapchat will notify you that you can only change your username once a year. If it's okay, continue. Then type your desired username. Check if it's available or not. It's not available. Happy Wink is available. If taken, try another one until you find the one that works. Happy Wink is available, so I'm choosing this one. Then tap on next. It asks you to enter your password. Then it asks if you are sure to change your username or not. Tap on continue. And your username is changed. That's all for today. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in next video.